goes aside from my soul.
Hello world, I'm in Taiwan. Food adventures, I'm not a foodie, but I figured I'd give this a shot. When in Taiwan, everybody told me I need to try this one little dish. Some locals like it, most tourists don't. It's Taiwanese stinky tofu. Not exactly something that I personally would ever do, but you know, I'm an adventurer, I'm in Taiwan, this is a food adventure, so here we go. Here's the famous stinky tofu. It's sealed and it stinks just really bad. So this actually smells like shit, like manure, like feces, and the worst kind. I think I've walked through farms and would consider that manure to be like potpourri compared to this. So anyways, actually let me get the spoon first. Spoon, and just in case, bought myself a little beer to kind of mask the flavor a little bit. This is as real as it gets in the middle of Taipei, in the streets, with the locals. Here we go. It kind of looks like yeah, not even the flies are getting close to this. That's how bad it is. Here we go. Not as bad as it's. Not as bad as it smells, but the smell is what's making the flavor get worse. You know how they say that food is actually, a lot of it has to do with smell? Well, that is the dish that kind of proves that, because I guess if I couldn't smell the stench, I wouldn't be able to eat it, because it's just tofu, kind of a little spice to it. But as soon as my nose catches that stench, it just makes me want to gag a little bit. Not because of the taste, but because of the smell. So, alright, I'll do it one more time. Stinky tofu. Cheers. See, that time I didn't let the smell get to me. It went down pretty good. Again, the spices, the tofu, the fermented tofu, the cabbage, all the ingredients, not a bad dish. The smell is what kills you if you get a good whiff right as you're putting the food in your mouth. But, just to prove it to you, here we go. Number 3. Third spoon. I'm holding my breath. Not too bad. Kind of tastes like meat, but because I'm holding my breath. As soon as I smell it, it's enough. So anyways, that was Food Adventure here in Taiwan. Stinky tofu. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this beer because, as many of you know, I'm not a foodie, but I'll give anything a try. Cheers.